The ocean depths hold countless secrets. In the cold, dark abyss, creatures exist that seem like they are from another world. One such creature is the Pacific sleeper shark. This mysterious shark lurks in the depths, a silent giant of the deep. It is a master of its environment, perfectly adapted to a life shrouded in darkness and pressure. We know very little about these elusive creatures. Scientists are still piecing together the puzzle of their lives. What we do know is that the Pacific sleeper shark is a fascinating and important part of our planet's biodiversity. Join us on a journey into the deep as we uncover the secrets of the Pacific sleeper shark. The Pacific sleeper shark is a large shark, typically growing to between 3 and 4 meters long. These magnificent creatures are found in the deep waters of the North Pacific, often at depths of up to 2,000 meters. They are one of the few shark species that can thrive in such cold, dark environments. Some individuals have been recorded at a staggering 7 meters, making them larger than a great white shark. This impressive size allows them to dominate their deep-sea habitat, where few other large predators can survive. Despite their size, these sharks are not aggressive towards humans. In fact, encounters with Pacific sleeper sharks are extremely rare due to their deep-sea dwelling nature. They are known to be gentle giants of the ocean. They are slow-moving creatures, more interested in scavenging for food than hunting live prey. Their diet mainly consists of fish, squid, and even the occasional marine mammal carcass. This scavenging behavior is crucial for the deep-sea ecosystem as it helps recycle nutrients. Their bodies are thick and cylindrical with a dark grey to blackish skin. This coloration provides excellent camouflage in the dark depths of the ocean, helping them avoid potential predators and sneak up on their food. Their fins are small and paddle-like, allowing them to maneuver gracefully through the water. These fins are perfectly adapted for their slow, deliberate movements, making them efficient swimmers in their deep-sea environment. Their eyes are also relatively small, as they rely more on other senses to navigate and find food in the darkness of the deep. They have an excellent sense of smell and can detect vibrations in the water, which helps them locate prey. The Pacific sleeper shark's appearance may seem strange and even frightening, but it is a testament to its remarkable adaptation to one of the harshest environments on Earth. Their unique features and behaviors make them one of the most fascinating creatures of the deep sea. The deep sea is a challenging place to live. It is one of the most extreme environments on Earth, where survival requires extraordinary adaptations. It is cold, dark, and under immense pressure. The temperature can drop to near freezing, and sunlight never penetrates these depths. The Pacific sleeper shark has evolved a range of adaptations to survive in this extreme environment. This elusive predator is perfectly suited to life in the deep. One key adaptation is its slow metabolism. This allows the shark to use energy very efficiently, which is crucial in an environment where food is scarce. With limited food available in the deep, the Pacific sleeper shark has learned to conserve energy. It moves slowly and deliberately, minimizing energy expenditure. It has a low heart rate and can go for long periods without eating. This ability to endure long fasting periods is another remarkable adaptation. Another adaptation is its unique liver. The liver is not just a vital organ for processing nutrients, but also plays a crucial role in buoyancy. Unlike most sharks, which rely on an oil called squalene for buoyancy, the Pacific sleeper shark's liver contains a special oil that remains fluid even at the low temperatures of the deep sea. This adaptation is essential for survival in such a cold environment. This helps the shark to maintain its buoyancy without expending energy. By floating effortlessly, it can conserve even more energy for when it is most needed. The Pacific sleeper shark is a remarkable example of how life can adapt to even the most extreme conditions. Its unique adaptations make it a true survivor of the deep sea, showcasing the incredible resilience of marine life. The Pacific sleeper shark is found throughout the North Pacific Ocean. Its range extends from Japan and Russia across to Alaska and down the western coast of North America to Baja California. They have even been spotted in the southern hemisphere. These sharks are deep water specialists, typically found at depths of 200 to 2,000 meters. They prefer continental slopes, seamounts, and canyons where food is more plentiful. Interestingly, despite their name, Pacific sleeper sharks are not always found sleeping in the depths. Scientists have discovered that these sharks can make extensive vertical migrations, sometimes traveling thousands of meters in a single day. This behavior suggests that they may be more active than previously thought. Section 5, a varied diet from scavenger to hunter. The Pacific sleeper shark is an opportunistic feeder, meaning it will eat whatever it can find. Its diet is surprisingly diverse, including fish, cephalopods like squid and octopus, crustaceans, and even marine mammals. While they are known to scavenge on the carcasses of whales and other large animals, they are also active predators. They have been known to hunt large prey, including seals, sea lions, and even other sharks. Their large mouths and flexible jaws allow them to swallow prey much larger than themselves. Their stomachs are also incredibly expandable, allowing them to store large amounts of food for later digestion. Section 6, silent predator, hunting in slow motion. Despite their size and strength, Pacific sleeper sharks are not built for speed. They are slow-moving predators, relying on stealth and ambush tactics to catch their prey. They are equipped with special sensory organs called ampullae of Lorenzini, which allow them to detect the faint electrical fields generated by other animals. This helps them to locate prey in the darkness of the deep sea. Once they have located their prey, they use a combination of suction feeding and powerful bites to subdue their victims. Their teeth are sharp and pointed, perfect for tearing through flesh. Section 7, life in the slow lane, reproduction and lifespan. Much about the Pacific sleeper shark's reproduction remains a mystery. What we do know is that they are ovoviviparous, meaning that the eggs hatch inside the mother's body and the pups are born live. The gestation period is unknown, but it is thought to be quite long, possibly several years. Litter sizes are also unknown, but they are likely to be small, as is typical of deep-sea sharks. Perhaps the most remarkable thing about the Pacific sleeper shark is its potential lifespan. Based on similarities to its close relative, the Greenland shark, scientists believe that Pacific sleeper sharks could live for several decades, possibly even exceeding 100 years. Section 8, guardians of the deep ecological role. As a top predator and scavenger, the Pacific sleeper shark plays a vital role in the deep-sea ecosystem. By preying on a variety of animals, they help to regulate populations and maintain a healthy balance within the food web. Their scavenging activities are also important, helping to remove dead and decaying matter from the ocean floor. Their presence, while often unseen, helps to ensure the health and stability of this unique and vital ecosystem. Section 9, an uncertain future, conservation and threats. Despite their deep-sea habitat, Pacific sleeper sharks are not immune to human impacts. These elusive creatures, often hidden in the depths, face numerous challenges brought about by human activities. They are often caught as bycatch in commercial fisheries, targeting other species. This unintended capture can significantly affect their population, as they are not the primary target but still suffer the consequences. Their slow reproduction rates and long lifespans make them particularly vulnerable to overfishing. Unlike other species that can quickly replenish their numbers, Pacific sleeper sharks take many years to mature and reproduce. Habitat degradation and climate change also pose potential threats to this species. The destruction of coral reefs and pollution of the ocean can disrupt their natural habitat, making it harder for them to find food and shelter. As the ocean warms and becomes more acidic, it could impact the availability of prey and alter the delicate balance of the deep-sea ecosystem. These changes can have a cascading effect, impacting not just the Pacific sleeper shark, but the entire marine food web. The Pacific sleeper shark is currently listed as data deficient by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. This classification highlights the lack of comprehensive data on their population and distribution. This means that we simply don't know enough about their population status to assess their risk of extinction. Without this crucial information, it is challenging to implement effective conservation measures. More research is urgently needed to better understand this fascinating creature and to develop effective conservation strategies to ensure its survival. Scientists and marine biologists are working tirelessly to gather data and insights that could help protect the Pacific sleeper shark. The future of the Pacific sleeper shark, and indeed the health of our oceans, depends on it. By taking action now, we can help preserve the delicate balance of marine ecosystems and ensure that these incredible creatures continue to thrive in the depths of our oceans.